This is actually last question. If someone were drinking your coffee right in front of you, what would you like to say then?
Thank you. Thank you for having Nugu. Nugu is for you, so enjoy.
Please enjoy. And then I would like to hopefully see that they enjoy naturally, you know. But I would just like them to enjoy. Yeah.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that you consume. We produce it with a lot of passion, and we love people who appreciate our coffee and our passion. Thank you very much, I will tell the person who consumes our geishas.
To just maybe, think of like the nature and the birds, and like I'm sure whoever drinks the coffee, you know, we all live in our own like little lives. We all have our own things going, and it would be nice to like just have a sip of the coffee and like close your eyes and like maybe think of like where the coffee came from, and then you just think of like a beautiful mountain and beautiful trees.
And get an idea of what kind of flavors you're gonna expect from it. And then once you have those ideas sort of defined in your brain, is this coffee gonna be sweet and fruity? Is it gonna be sweet, floral? If it's fruity, what kind of fruit is it gonna have? Taste the coffee, let it sit in your mouth.
Take the coffee into your mind, your soul, your body, because there is a lot of work behind. And not just from me, but from a chain of people, of events, of happiness and also struggle. So you should take that cup of coffee and really be mindful.
For you to get to that cup, there's a lot of sweat and tears and time, because the learning process in coffee is very long. So my great-grandfather grew coffee, my father grew coffee, my grandfather grew coffee, we grew coffee. We started playing with fermentations for years and years until we dialed the recipe to the point where we could get that flavor, that aroma that you are experiencing. And that took many risks, a lot of time, a lot of effort. Sometimes we go to the farm and we just want to quit. You know, it's raining, disease. Some days are very tough, but then the next day you drink that coffee and you're like, let's do it again, right? It's a very tough relationship with nature, because at the end, trying to collaborate with nature to get there. And it can be some days very difficult, some days it's easy. Your customer drinks the coffee and likes it, makes the whole year for us, yes. We could do this for free. I could do it for free if I could, yes.
Que lo felicito por haber escogido un buen café.
Lucky guy.